Cloverfields was built in 1914 by Joseph Wollett, the architect for Hazard Stevens, who was the son of the first territorial governor of Washington, Isaac Stevens. So the house was originally, it's the Cloverfields Dairy Farm, and Hazard Stevens came back from a successful career in the East. He was born and raised in Washington and decided to retire on a kind of a hobby dairy farm. It was the first electric dairy farm in Washington. And I believe that had something to do with his interest in Olympia power and light. I've been in the house for 3 years now, and we moved just from down the street. right up the street, about half a mile. We love it. It's a really great family home. It's an old farmhouse. It's a big house. We have a big family, and it's been great. There's a back porch and there's a lake, and so it's just been a great family home.